Hello backers, I hope everyone's doing well. So I want to show you all these beautiful colors, these coolers that were possible thanks to your help. So they came in and I'm here at the warehouse to inspect the production and show you what you will get. So let's start with the red one because it's my favorite color. So you get two cam action latches on every cooler, two temperature gauges, one for the ice chamber and one for the food chamber. It has dual chamber. So very easy to operate. You can literally open it with your pinky. It applies a lot of force with minimal effort. Once you open it, wow, look at this. Not one, but 1, 2, and 3 refrigeration style custom made gaskets. 3 gaskets because it will help with 3 times the thermal retention. Therefore, the ice will last 3 times longer. In addition to the thickest insulation on the market, longer ice retention. So what you get with this now, you'll get 2 standard cutting board dividers, which double as side tables with the bracket that's available separately. Put those back. These black tabs are ice filler ports. So this is how you would put the ice. But to make it easier for you, we innovated more. It worked well. We could put the ice, but it was a bit time consuming. So what we did was we innovated. I've already unscrewed these screws. And to give you a better merchandise, we developed this ice retention basket. So what this does is we'll put the ice on the bottom, put this in, and then fill the sides with ice so that the ice will come all the way up and it's going to be retained along the walls. It's not going to fall over. Once that is done, you can put this back and it'll have ice on all 5 sides, bottom and the 4 sides, and it's going to be packed in nicely. And you'll close this and then close the screws, and then it also comes with a long life rechargeable LED battery, which would only come, it's motion activated and it only comes on at night when it's dark, So when the cooler is closed, the light will automatically turn off, and it has a long life and a rechargeable cable. Each cooler comes with that, and you just attach it simply with Velcro here or anywhere you want it. So each cooler will come with one free light, LED light included. We did not install it because you can install it wherever you want. This wire is very important. This is not a manufacturing defect. It's supposed to be like this because this is the sensor for the temperature gauge. Sense the temperature and tell you how cold it is in the food storage cavity. Bottle openers, and then on this side, this is a feature I really love. So it has an oversized drain plug, and unlike threaded types, this one is a compression fit. So all you do is you loosen it a little bit and you can just pull it out and it's going to drain very quickly. You have a 1-inch thick compression rubber seal which goes in almost 3 inches inside the cooler. So that also aids in a lot of thermal retention. And you tighten it nice and snug, and there you go. Simple. Quality product. The lid has been redesigned, and the reason why we did that is when we noticed that in the old design, with the lid top was a bit smaller. When we stacked, for those who were buying multiple units, when we stacked one cooler on top of the other, it was a bit unstable. So we increased the surface area. Now the feet of this cooler will land exactly inside this lip, and it's going to be very solid and it's going to be very stable. So that's another innovation in the new design. So I hope you guys really enjoy using these coolers, and tell your friends and family about it, and encourage them to get one too if they need one. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your support.